This is part 6 of the video solutions of the coordinate geometry quiz review worksheet. And in this video, I'm just going to cover part J. So what we want to do is we want to transform ABCD, which again we found in the very first part of this problem was a square, by reflecting it across the y-axis. So if you recall our ordered pair rule, let's just look at an example here. If I have the point 4, 5 here, and I reflect it over the y-axis, that means I'm going to flip it over to this side, so it would end up being at negative 4, 5. So it would be negative 4, 5. So if I forget my ordered pair rules, usually I'll just look at some examples. So now I can see, oh, the y's stay the same, but the x changed to the opposite. So my ordered pair rule for reflecting across the y-axis would be change the x to the opposite and keep the y the same. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And then I also copied down my original points because now I'm going to apply this rule, negative x comma y, to each of those points. And I'm going to fill in my spots down here first. So now my a prime becomes negative 2, 2. B prime becomes negative 5, 2. C prime becomes negative 9, 1. And finally, D prime becomes negative 6, comma 5. And then I'll just graph these. Negative 2, 2. That's A prime. Negative 5, 2. Oh, that should be negative 5, negative 2. Sorry about that. Negative 5, negative 2. That's B prime. C prime is negative 9, 1. And then D prime is negative 6, positive 5. So up there, that's D prime. And then we'll go ahead and connect those. And hopefully it still looks like a square just reflected over the y-axis. All right, and then that's it for this problem. If you need any further explanation, feel free to ask your teacher, and we'll see you in part 7.